Okay, today we are going to make a video of physics class 9 chapter work and energy. Here in this chapter we want to discuss about work and energy. Here, but before discussion, our humble suggestion to you: subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj so that you can get upcoming video. Now here, kinetic energy. Kinetic energy, you have to prove kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. What thing? To prove kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Here one body is starting and has mass m and attains a velocity v and reaches another place. Then in this case work done, that is F into S, F dot S. F is equal to ma. Now putting value of F here, then what will you get? W is equal to MAS, and you know from equation of motion V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. When U is equal to 0, then V square is equal to 2AS. Okay. Now S is equal to V square by 2A. Now next thing, W, as you know, W is equal to F into S. W is equal to F into S. So putting value F is equal to MA and S is equal to V square by 2A. Now you can cancel AA, then what will you get? Half mv square. Our motto is to prove kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Here I have written, let a body has mass m and attains a velocity v. W is work, F is force, S is displacement, and A is acceleration, and also U is initial velocity. You have to write this thing. While you will write answer, you should write all these things and then you should prove this thing. Okay. Now next thing, to prove 1 AMU, that is equal to 931 MeV, mega electron volt. E is equal to mc square from Einstein equation. This is an Einstein equation. Now next thing, here try to understand. Here m mass is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. You are taking mass. C is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now putting value mc square, you should multiply. Simply you should multiply this value and you will get this value. Now next thing, 1 mega electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 13 joule. So 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 13 joule, that is equal to 1 mega electron volt. And here you have obtained this thing, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 27 into 3 into 10 to the power 8 power 2 joule. Now you know this thing. So 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 13 joule, that is equal to 1 mega electron volt. Now whenever you will multiply this thing, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 27, this thing, this is in the joule, this is in the joule, and this thing you have to put here, then what will you get? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 27 into 3 into 10 to the power 8 whole square by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 13. So 1 U after calculation, what will you get? 931 mega electron volt. Here I have written 931 mega electron volt. It means 1 U is equal to 931 mega electron volt. Now next thing, 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Okay. Now next thing, work. W is equal to F into S, F dot S. Here you should know force is a vector quantity and displacement is also a vector quantity. So dot product will be a scalar. You will study all these things in class 11. Okay. Now mathematical form Fs cos theta, and power is equal to work by time. What thing? Power is equal to work by time. And you should know unit of work is joule and unit of time is second, and you may say joule per second, that is 1 watt. Unit of power is 1 watt. Now about work. What is work? Work is said to be done when an object moves in the direction of the applied force. Energy. What is energy? The capacity to do work is known as energy. And here energy, two types, kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy, due to motion, it arises due to motion, while potential energy, it is possesses due to height, due to any reason. If anybody has a stored energy, such type of energy is known as potential energy. And you should know potential energy is equal to mgh. What thing? Potential energy is equal to mgh. Here P means potential energy, m means mass, g is acceleration due to gravity, h is height. If you want to calculate potential energy, then you should simply multiply mgh. Okay. Now next thing we want to discuss about that is power. Power is defined as the rate of doing work. Power is equal to work by time. Here power is equal to work by time. Definition is power is defined as the rate of doing work. Okay. Now next thing you should know 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. 1 megawatt is equal to 10 to the power 6 watt. 1 horsepower, that is equal to 746 watts. There are so many things in energy. You know, law of conservation of energy. You should know law of conservation of energy. Here, according to the law of conservation of energy, whenever energy changes from one form to another, the total amount of energy remains constant. Okay, This is the law of conservation of energy. I hope you are understanding all these things which is described by me, and this is my humble suggestion to you all. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj for upcoming video. After this video I will make one chapter has left, and that chapter name is sound. I will make video of chapter sound. Okay, after some days I have to make a video of sound chapter, and I hope you will revise. This video is mainly for revision purpose, and I hope you will revise carefully. And once again I am repeating you all, subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj on YouTube for upcoming video. Thank you. Have a nice day.